any other the loyal 900 in the chat. I had 900 people. That was like my peak.
But since you think that TikTok, bro, that one, you OD. That one came from there was phlegm in there. No, it's okay. It's okay.
No, you good.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I'm sorry.
You good, bro? Super car.
You're funny. Yo, this is the funniest chat ever. Nigga said that quote came from the